Want to build your own customized PD system using PDable? Our first step is to create an account as a PD system owner. Let's get started.
First, head to the PDable website and click the Start Free button at the top of the screen. You'll see a few sign-up options. I'm going to use email. Just type in your email address and click Send Verification Code. Then jump into your inbox, grab the code, and paste it into the box. Click Verify Code, and that's done. Now add a password, enter your name, and hit Create. Nice one. You're in. Next, choose your account type. Professional, for people who just want to log activities, set goals, make a plan, and write reflections. Employer, for managers who want to track and support their team's professional development. PD System Owner. This is the one we're choosing today. It lets you build and customize your own PD system from scratch. Quick tip, you can switch between these profiles later if you want to explore other features too. Click Continue to move on. This last step sets up your account. Just fill in a few basic details. And that's it. You're all set. You're now ready to start building your own PD system. It won't cost you a cent, and there's no credit card required. In the next video, we'll walk through the first setup screen and start designing your system using the step-by-step wizard. For now, enjoy exploring, and congrats on getting started with PDable. Thanks for watching. Let's build something together in the next one.